Hello everyone, my name is Linn and I'm in my first year majoring in ICT. So I applied for the team leader position of student management team at the International Language Center because um, I'm really passionate in learning English, and when I was in Myanmar during the COVID-19 pandemic, I joined a lot of English conversation clubs and also other English related clubs. So that was really fun and I'm really into it. So I was really glad when Ajarn Eddie uh, sent the message about that program. So another fact is that I really love volunteering. So when I was in Myanmar, I volunteered at so many organizations, mostly non-profit organizations, youth organizations, as various positions. So and I'm looking for a chance to practice English and improve my English skills because I'm planning to take IELTS test. So it is win-win situation for me now. So it would be really great if I got a chance to help the students from Thai programs in developing their language skills. So I'll be really grateful if I could get a chance to be on your team. So thank you so much.